You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. Yes, those two curiously, hence the confusion, often are pronounced exactly the same way. They are homophones. So let's break down how to pronounce them. Build, alright? Build, to build, the verb to build, as in I'm building a house, for example, when you're building something. Or build, when you buy something, you get billed. Build is how you pronounce it. Essentially, you could spell them both. B-I-L-D, build. It's easy as that, build. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.